Hi guys, so I have a Jeep Compass. The window doesn't work. So went and bought a brand new switch, which is the master control switch, as you can see, and I'm going to replace it. So it's a very simple process. You have to have a Torx screwdriver to pull this screw off, and once you've taken that screw out, it's quite simple from there. The clips are all around in here, surrounds, so click one in the middle, click one on the side, click, they're all off. They come pretty easy. Just have to be careful, don't damage the interior on the sides. And you go click at the bottom, know where your clicks are. Yes, click. Pretty easy. The whole thing basically pulls off, comes off. Simple. So press this, pull it up, press this, pull it up. You'd be looking at once it pulls up, you'd be looking at that, and then basically just click it in. You have to fiddle with this a little bit so that the clips come off, as you can see, and yeah, away you go. Let's have a look if it works. Voila, the window works perfectly fine now. So good luck guys. That's for a Jeep Compass, which is your limited edition, I believe. That's your Jeep.